Hey guys, Spencer Mecham here. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I just wanted to do a quick shout out for John Vaughn and Tier5 Partnership and kind of why I am involved in the partnership. I've been in it for a few months now. John had to work pretty hard to get me convinced, and once I was aboard, seeing good things happen. For me, the two things that are really valuable with the Tier5 Partnership is the ability to give away or sell or basically have white label rights to the core softwares, which is an incredible deal. To be able to do that as an affiliate, I can build my list really quickly by offering free access to the software. I can use it as a break-even product, charging $10, $20 a month or a one-time fee of $49 or things like that, and I can use that to break even as I grow my list, and it helps me grow my list much faster. I can even use it to just build up my own recurring income and actually sell it, which isn't my business model, but it's cool that I could switch over to that. So for me, that was the big deal breaker, is to be able to have access and white label access to all these softwares and be able to use it however I want, however my business model works. It's really powerful. There's a perceived value that people give software. And the second thing is kind of just an added bonus, but a huge part of it as well is the fact that you get a partial ownership in the company, and as the company grows and does well eventually down the road, you're able to benefit from it, and I'm able to benefit from it, and we're all able to benefit from it together. So it's a really awesome deal. Tier5 Partnership, encourage you to hop in. John's very motivated at what he does, very good at what he does, and really good things coming down the road.